Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about Boolean and table filters in calculate function which is used in Power BI. This is the syntax of calculate function. It is taking an expression and it is taking the filters. So the calculate filter accept both Boolean as well as table function individually or at the same time. But all the filters arguments are automatically converted into a table. So let's understand this one. So whenever we are going to use our expression in calculate function, I'm talking about here, this calculate function can accept Boolean expression as well as the table expression. We can give as a individually or we can provide at the same time. But all the filter arguments that are automatically converted into a table. So this is a very important. We can give 100 of filter argument in the calculate function, but all the filter arguments are automatically converted into a table. So let's see. This is a measure which we have written, and this is the calculate function which we have written. This is the expression and this is the filter which we have used. So the DAX interpret this as a table. So this one of this filter function will automatically converted into a table. Anytime you write a function that contains a logical statement that is in, greater than, less than, equal to, etc., it is creating a table internally. So whenever there is a filter condition or a logical statement like in, greater than, less than, those filter condition, how calculate will going to use it internally, it will create a table and process with the help of a filter and all. Here also that this, let me just change them. Here also we can see we have created one filter function that is the with the help of a modifier. So internally how it will going to evaluate, first calculate function will going to create a table and then apply a filter function on that particular table. Okay, so in this video we have seen how filter function receive Boolean and table filters as a expression and how it internally convert into a table and perform the filter condition or perform the filter. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.